welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you are returning to my channel, then hi and welcome back. So guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing the December Glossybox. I received this morning and I was like, I have to film this and get it up like quick. I don't know that I've only just uploaded in my Glossybox calendar, but I wanted to get this filmed and uploaded. So yes, we have the December box, guys, and I'm so excited to unbox it. So before we do get into today's video, guys, if you want to subscribe to my channel and you want to stick around, make sure that you do subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I do upload. And also, if you do enjoy this video, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, because it lets me know you enjoy it and it really helps me out. And I'll be so appreciative. So if you're not subscribed to Glossybox and you want to subscribe, you can use my discount code, which is JT. You can save yourself some money and get your first subscription for £11.50. So let's get stuck into today's video, guys, and let's unbox the Glossybox for December. First off, love the box for this month because obviously it's Christmas, December, so it's Christmas theme, and it says best time of the year, and it's absolutely gorgeous, stunning box. So comes like this, absolutely gorgeous wrapping because obviously it's Christmas theme, and the little booklet here, so I have that. Oh, and it has a January sneak peek. So lovely cute tissue paper for this month. So I'm going to open that up and we're going to see what's inside. So the tissue paper is pink this time and it's not actually black. So we have a couple of nice things in here. So let's have a little look and let's get stuck in. This box is worth £125, so you get 5 products for £125. So exciting. So the sneak peek for January, obviously it tells you on the back there. I do apologise about my nails, guys, they need to be polished, that's just gross. So January is all about starting anew, and what better to take inspiration from the nature. So the sneak peek for January, you get the E-Cookings Moisturising Serum, which is worth £22.50. So if you don't want to know what that's going to be, then obviously... So that's a little sneak peek for January. So we have in this month's box, guys, I'm going to start off with this first product, guys, which we knew what this was going to be because we saw the sneak peek last month. So this is the Symbiosis? Symbiosis is a full-size product, Symbiosis London. This is a glycolic acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum. So this is full size, and going to focus, there we go. This is full size, so this is a rejuvenating eye serum. It's got glycolic acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum. It's worth, original retail price, guys, is £102. Oh my god, like £102. It does say as well on here that you have to carry out a patch test 24 hours before. I wonder if that's because it's so like strong and potent or something. It might, I don't know. But anyway, so this overnight serum is the ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes, that is me, in need of relief. The glycolic acid boosts skin's firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness and excess oils, while the RNA helps skin combat the signs of aging, me, including fine lines, wrinkles and brown spots. With its shimmering properties, the third key ingredient mica aims to reflect light from the skin for a smoother, softer and more radiant complexion. Amazing. Never heard of this brand before, but for an eye serum for £102, guys. Ooh, is it quite, oh yes, it's actually like really, don't know if you can see that there. It's really quite a thin consistency. So, oh yeah, it smells really nice too. That is really nice. Oh wow. Let me just feel the back of my skin. So feel that bit. Oh my god, that feels amazing. That feels so smooth. That hand and that hand, oh my god, amazing. So next up we have a nail varnish from the brand Nailberry. This is full size. This is retail price for £15, and this is the colour Strawberry Jam. Amazing. So I don't know if it's like, it looks a bit more like a like a purple, not like a purple, like a deep, it's like a deep red. Oh yes, it's also like a deep pink colour. If you see that, absolutely stunning. So yeah, I've never seen it or heard of this brand before. Nail Berry. No look would be complete this December without festive inspired fingernails. So obviously yes, perfect colour for December and Christmas. It says the cool, confident and with a dash of old school glamour, the vibrant hue of this dark red pink. So yes, it's like a reddy pink strawberry jam nail polish is a sublime choice, and oxygen polishes are also considerate on your nails' future health. Oh, that's good. Utilising patent technology to deliver a healthier manicure. Okay, so that sounds really nice, guys. So we have a nail varnish there, really nice. Love the packaging, think that's really nice. £15. Gorgeous colour as well, so yeah, perfect for Christmas. So next up, guys, we have some eye masks, and this is by a brand called Wonder Beauty, and this is obviously full-size products. You get some eye masks in here, and these are gold eye masks. It says baggage claim gold eye mask. That's actually really good, baggage claim. These would be perfect to take on the plane, I guess, wouldn't they? If you're going travelling or something. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these gold under eye masks. Perfect for pre-Christmas pampering. A top layer of gold foil allows the serum to penetrate deeply into your skin, whereas the second and third layers ensure the mask stays put and delivers key ingredient efficiently. Ooh, sounds lovely. I get such dry under eyes and like dark circles, so this sounds great. Giving you all those skin loving benefits you need. Your complexion will instantly appear visibly brighter and more hydrated after use. So yes, this retails for £4, so the one on its own is £4, and you can buy a full size 6-pack for £20. So I'm excited to try those because I love nothing more than just a good pamper, and having a little nice eye mask is just really nice. It's just really good for under eyes, so I'm excited to use that. So next up, guys, we have a makeup sponge, a beauty blender. This is by a brand called Sport FX. This is the Blend and Go makeup sponge, and it just says achieve a glowing complexion and flawless base for your Christmas party looks with this unique 8-sided makeup blending sponge. Whether you're using skincare products or primers, applying foundation and concealer, or adding contour definition with highlighter, there's an angle for your every need. Okay, so it's got like 8 sides to it. It looks really nice. This is £4.99, guys, and this is from, obviously you can buy this on their website, Sport FX. I was going to say I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, but I'm pretty sure the other day I went shopping and I went into Sports Direct and I seen this brand in there. Like they had a variety of different like products, stuff, makeup stuff. So like obviously I'm guessing it's like makeup for people who do a lot of like sports and go to the gym and all that kind of stuff. So I'm guessing what that is, the brand Sport FX. But yeah, I've never used this before. I don't really know if it will be good or not, but I'm excited to try it. So next up we have some cocoa butter from Palmer's. This is a deluxe mini size, guys. So the solid jar deluxe mini is worth £1.50, and for a full size it's £4.29. I'll just say here solid jar or lotion. So I'm guessing you either get one of these little jar or like the tub, which looks like this, I'm guessing. So you'd get one of them instead. So I'm guessing people get different ones. So yeah, both the same price, £1.50. So this is cocoa butter. I love this stuff, it smells amazing. It says nourish your skin during the colder winter months. Have some cocoa butter. Oh my god. Oh yeah, actually it's like I don't know why. Oh yeah, that's right. So this is the solid jar, which is literally like a solid product, and then I'm guessing the lotion obviously is like the little tube and it comes with the lotion. So this is like a balm kind of. It's like a balm. It's so nice, amazing. That would be so amazing because I get such bad chapped lips as well and feet, and that's actually really good. So yeah, it's like a protective barrier. It's like the formula is like a balm, so obviously you'll either get this one or you'll get the lotion. So that was everything in December's Glossybox for this month. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I think my favourite product is going to have to be this one, the eye serum, because I get such dry eyes, and this is £102, so I'm really hoping it's good, and I'm hoping it's going to be really good for my eyes and hydrate my skin and stuff. So I'm really excited to try that out, guys. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what your favourite product was in this box. So also, guys, did you know that you can earn yourself glossy credit? So every time you refer a friend or you do a product review of something that you've got in the box and you do a little review on it, so every time you do that, you will get to yourself, you'll earn yourself £10 in glossy credit, which you can spend on Look Fantastic. So just think, if you was to get 12-month subscription and you referred a friend or you reviewed product every month out of the box, you could literally buy yourself and treat yourself to a Christmas present at the end of the year, which is just amazing. So don't forget, if you do refer a friend or you fill in one of the product reviews, then you can earn yourself £10 in glossy credit to use on Look Fantastic website, guys. If you did like this video, guys, and you want to stick around, make sure that you do hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, because every time I upload, then you will get notified. But also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget, guys, if you aren't subscribed to Glossybox and you want to subscribe and you want to be a subscriber, you don't have to have a 12-month subscription. You could just subscribe for 1 month and then cancel. There's no like ties or strings or anything like that, so you could just have the 1 month, and if you use my discount code JADET, you will get your first box for £11.50. I will leave the links and everything in the description box down below as well for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon.